Welcome to my new place. Come on in. I want to show you quickly a little tour of my new home. We're going to start off in the entryway. And friends, I'm going to point things out to you as I go along. This little table was somebody's trash, and I turned it into my treasure. I'm still going to embellish a little gold on here, but look at what you can do with things that you find that people don't want anymore. Come on in. Friends, this is our den. We just got moved in yesterday, so our furniture still has, it barely got delivered yesterday, so it still has tags on it. But guess what? We're ready to host a birthday party tomorrow, so that's why it's all decorated for Halloween. Friends, let me show you something. Last year, I made this garland before I knew how to make pretty bows. And I said I was going to make a new one this year, but things changed when we had to move and everything. So next year I'll do something different, but I was pleased with the way it turned out on top of my new mantle here. Things that I just love. All right, here's our dining area. It worked out perfect for my husband and I and guests. I just love it, and I've had some of these Halloween dishes for forever, friends. Let me tell you, I love them. I love Halloween. Since we're still in the moving process, I just brought over things that we were going to need for this weekend, for the party and all, and for Halloween. But I love decorating, and this is one of my favorite witches right here. So I put her right in the center. And then I have this old cabinet that belonged to my mom, and I just can't part with it. And so we brought it along, and it fit perfect right here. So anyway, that's my little dining area. And then we have a big island bar here. Plenty of rooms for friends to entertain and to just share a meal together and give thanks. Be thankful for all your friendships, all your family, and how well you're doing. Friends, I want to point out my tree, my Halloween tree. Believe it or not, there's a tree behind here. Next year I'll have to get a bigger one. But look how cute all those things that I made look on this tree. I didn't get to my skeleton girl, but she'll be the first one next year. But look at the mummy. It's so cute there. So I just had a great time putting it all together. Now these you can find in a video that I made last year. These are so cute. I love them. And it looks like the witch is in. Those shoes were given to me by my sweet friend Susan, and I just love them. And it says the little sign, the witch is in. So I don't know who the witch is. I just wanted to show you also, this is a picture of my husband and I back in 1978. Can you believe that, friends? We were at our first Halloween party as a married couple. All right. This is my kitchen stovetop area, and there's plenty of room for baking and cooking, and I'll be so glad to be using it this weekend. I wanted to point out this bottle. It's my frosted glass bottles that I did in a video last year. And a friend, a dear subscriber, sent me these lights to put in them. Look how cute they look, friends. I'm going to make some frosted orange ones for next year. These are so cute and so decorative. And I think I pinched this one. There you go. Okay, I wanted to show you my little coffee bar area. Perfect for having my coffee in the morning, my husband and I, and just right, that little section. My oven, my microwave. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I transported the tree that we use at our set. This is the one from last year, and I had to bring it along. It is too cute. Okay, let me take you into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We don't have all our furniture yet, but we will be getting some situated after this weekend. But it's big and roomy, and I think it's going to work just fine. And I've got a large bath area. Friends, look at what I have to relax in. It is so big, I may drown in it, but I love that. And it's going to be interesting, those showers, how they're going to work. But you know what? I'm downsizing. We're at this point of our lives where I'm going to make everything work. I've got a positive attitude. And look at how big my closet is. I've had bigger ones, but this is going to work just fine. Friends, I can put shoes and purses all the way up to the ceiling, and I love that. So, and my husband has a closet too. It's smaller, but he doesn't need a big closet. Okay, so let's continue on. Yes, we're downsizing. We are leaving the ranch and downsizing to a smaller place. Here's my pantry. It's a good size. It's got these sliding doors that I'll have to get adjusted to. And the garage is this way, and it's got a cute little mudroom area here. And this is where my washer and dryer is going to go. I'm getting a new washer and dryer set. It should be delivered sometime next week. But there's lots of cabinets, and it's got a sink, and it's just going to be perfect for as little time as I'm going to spend in here. So here's the extra bedroom, guest bedroom, and the guest bathroom. It's a good size. It's got a good shower, and I think it's going to work just fine. And now, friends, the best part, I'm going to show you what's going to be our studio. Are you ready? Welcome, friends. This is going to be the studio and my crafting room, and I'm so excited. And Eric already put together for me the desk and set up my printer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never had this much room to work with. So he even got me this cute little gadget here to put my headphones on. Isn't that too cute? Eric is the best, I guarantee you. We're gonna slowly work on getting this set up to be our studio. So we're gonna show you every step of the way as we go along. But friends, I'm so excited. It's not fun moving, and it's not fun downsizing, but hey, if you've got a positive attitude, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be just fine. Love you, friends. Thanks for stopping by.